Hi, welcome to Kim's 360 home tour. You can click and drag anywhere on the screen to view 360 view of the home, or you can pause and view the tour of the home. I want to show you around the neighborhood. Look at the beautiful view of the mountain. We are located in southwest area, south of the mountain's edge. This property is for lease. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 1,900 square foot. This is for lease at $2,500 per month. Let's get started. We're now inside of the house. Look at this open floor plan. And all the kitchens are updated. This is built in 2020, so this is fairly new. Here comes a closet space and a half bathroom. And then this goes out to 2-car garage. Let me turn the light on. Coming out from the garage, here's another coat closet. There is a backyard. It's maintenance free. I can show it to you later on. But let's go upstairs. Okay, we're going up the stairs right now. Look how bright the space is. There's so much natural light coming in. If we turn to the right, that's a master bedroom. There's so much space. You can fit king-size bed, and you can mount your TV over here, and there's so much space. And we're going into master bathroom. 2 sinks, there's a bath and shower, and we're gonna going into, oh, actually, here's a toilet, and also walk-in closet. Coming out of the master bedroom, we just got in brand new washer dryer, so that's really good. And this is a closet. And also there's a little place right here, space right here. You can use it as an office area. There's enough space for that. And this is the 2nd bathroom upstairs. And here are 2 bedrooms. Here's another bedroom. You see there's a mountain view along, let's see, actually both sides of the house. Coming down from upstairs, we're gonna go out to the backyard. This is very clean, maintenance-free backyard. This is artificial grass, and all around is just waiting for your furniture. And you can just come out and relax. It's very quiet neighborhood. You don't really hear any noise, and you still do see a little bit of mountain view over there. It's very clean, very well maintained property. I hope you enjoy the tour with me. If you have any more questions or would like to submit an application, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you, bye.